world's critical economic condition nowadays doesn't seem to bring significant effects to Indonesia. Take a look at many foreign investors trusting our country for the sake of their businesses. It gives good effect to Indonesia before the eyes of the world. Companies who entrust their businesses in Indonesia are not half-hearted and locate their industrial estate as regulated by the government of Indonesia. Karawang International Industrial City, or KIIC, is developed and managed by Itochu Corporation from Japan and Sinarmas from Indonesia. With their reliable reputation, it guarantees good corporate governance and services for investors. Located in a land approximately about 1,400 hectares and being managed by Japan's well-known professional management, making this industrial city a neat, clean and well-managed place, simplified by Jakarta Cikampek toll road access, making KIIC really easy to reach. Only within 1 hour from Semanggi and out of Karawang Barat 2 toll gate, you have already arrived in KIIC industrial area. This fact is so meaningful to you who appreciate time priority, since you don't need to waste any more of your precious time on the road. When entering this area, we can find a so neatly and green landscape. It is one of our concerns about Earth's global warming nowadays. This estate's infrastructure is well established. Supporting factors and services for industrial businesses are provided to all tenants to ease and smooth the industrial business operations. Premium electricity service by PLN will make you less worry about electricity supply. Supply for industrial water is more than enough for this entire area, as the WTP process is well managed, as well as the factory waste, which STP system is professionally managed by experienced and professional experts. So it will guarantee this area free from chemical wastes. Gas piping facility and innovative modern technology facility for ICT is provided to support you in running your business process. We also put safety as our top priority, supported by our well-trained and professional firefighters. This estate is also well known for its secured environment, with 24-hour daily basis security, makes tenants feel secured for their assets. On top of that, KIIC management system is proven ISO 9001 certified for quality management system, OHSAS 18001 for health and safety management system, and ISO 14001 for environmental management system, and has been awarded as the best industrial estate in 2013 and the best performance in management and services in 2013 and 2015 by the Ministry of Industry. KIIC also obtained the provision of CLICK program, or Fast Track Investment as Direct Construction, from BKPM, and becoming one of the national vital object, undoubtedly capable in managing this industrial estate. As for the facilities, KIIC Industrial Estate has more than enough. It has a cozy hotel for expatriates and visitors, located just next to the golf field. Besides golf, there are other sport facilities inside KIIC Sports Center. Furthermore, the commercial center is included with Japanese and Indonesian restaurants, Japanese and Indonesian banks, convenience stores, and medical clinics. Not only that, there are other supporting facilities such as gas station and also multi-purpose function room that could be utilized for big meetings. We not only provide large areas for factory, but also provide many office space to be leased for office or even small or standard production space. Last but not least, KIIC is also included with warehouses and factories that can be rented. Relationship among tenants in this estate is also well preserved in order to create pleasant working environment. Therefore, we have some programs which involve all tenants. Sustainable CSR programs continue to develop in KIIC, such as Community Human Resources Initiative Program, which consists of scholarships, school facilities, and donation. Community Health Initiative Program, which includes development of baby health center, additional baby food, blood donation and free medical treatments. Community economic initiative program such as partnership with special businesses. Social and community initiative program, which consists of disaster aid and public facility renovation. Environmental program, which consists of plantations in KIIC and surrounding area. Development of Telaga Desa Agro-Enviro Education Park, which is the best effort as observation, training and education center in the scope of agriculture, environmental preservation and ecotourism. By placing your company in KIIC Industrial Estate, you only have to concentrate on your business. In line with our motto, your investment is secure in our hands.